Minecraft tutorials, single player world. First you're going to want to create a world. So first you're going to go create a name. I'll name mine Test World 2. Keep it in survival. Don't worry about that. So now we're just going to create new world. Now it's just doing this. Just hang on, it's sort of got a load. Ooh, sort of spawned in the jungle. Now you're gonna want to. Gonna have to first smash a couple of trees. Oh, hang on. I'm just gonna put this down for a second. I will be right back. I will be right back. I am okay. So I'm just gonna find you. Okay, I'm back. Where's my chin? This is my first video, so I'll probably make a few mistakes. So this is a tutorial for me. Well, not Minecraft, but for video game. It's a little long story just about that. So I'm just gonna fix up some of this stuff. So let's go on. It's just a little hard when you first do it. I don't have my peg with me here today. So today, now you have some wood. Now here you will have some items. Now let's just some of this wood. Don't just keep on clicking, otherwise you'll just get nothing. And the box there. Okay, now you're going to want to build subdivision. Obviously, you can't just use let's go into this, our inventory. So here is your item. So now you're going to want to drag that into here, and then there will be wooden planks, as you can see, and you just keep on cleaning until you get wood. Now you're going to want to build something out of it. So just click the E button to get out of your inventory. Now, it's pretty woody, so let's just clear some more of this wood. Eventually you're gonna have to eat, sleep. Okay, now let's do it. Okay. Okay, now I'm going back into inventory. Drag it in. Drag this in. And collect the wood. And drag it down. That. And then hit the E button. E. Over there, when you get armor, you will put it on. Okay. This is your little avatar guy. No. You go to. No. Now we've got to W to walk forward, S to walk to the side, N to walk backwards, D to walk to the side, A to walk to the other side, and there we go. So if you want to jump, you hit the space bar. So forward, you just. Now this will be. I have just started this world. If I could go longer, I would, but my hand is getting sore from holding this. Okay, let's go on. Oh, there's some vines. Let's climb up them. Okay. Where am I? Okay. I'm trying my best, but I'm not very familiar in this world. Over here. There should be a beach near this jungle biome. At a time, or like a desert or something. Hey, there's water. There. So now we're gonna walk to the beach down the sea. Oops, I lost a little bit of life there, but it's too much. This is here. Now I'm just gonna build a little bit of it. Then I'm gonna be doing the sky block. I'm just gonna get rid of this. And okay, now you have to create something called a workbench. Let's go down over here, grab these blanks and just put them in a square here. I might look good. And so put that in there, and we have full wood. And that's all the time I have for now, so I'll see you soon. Bye from O3NW.